Hello and welcome to this Quizlet tutorial. Quizlet is a web-based flashcards and games website that is free to use. However, users can opt to upgrade to Quizlet Plus for $15. Research has shown that flashcards are an effective and efficient means to second language acquisition. This program allows its users the option to practice a variety of languages. In Language Learner, it is important that students are given the opportunity to practice retrieval of unfamiliar words. Through the use of Quizlet, students can work at their own pace and hone their receptive recall, receptive recognition, and productive recall skills. We're going to go ahead and go to Find Flashcards. From here, we can select languages and vocabulary. I'm going to select Spanish. And I'll choose numbers in Spanish. Prior to working on these skills, such of the productive recall, receptive recognition, and receptive recall, students should be able to interact with the new material, the unfamiliar words. The flashcards allow the users to do just that. Students can opt to enable the audio. They can also expand the flashcards to the full screen. As students go through with the audio, they will hear the Spanish word and the English word being said. In the lower right hand corner, we will see just how many cards are in this particular flashcard set. The Speller, Learn, and Space Race activities will give your students the opportunity to hone their receptive recall skills by producing the Spanish word based upon its audio or on its English translation. Students will receive immediate feedback on whether they are correct or incorrect and given an opportunity to practice any mistakes that are made throughout the activity. So let's take a look at Speller. As you just heard, we hear the Spanish word for 30. Based upon that audio, we are now required to type in what we've heard.
19.
As you saw with the last one, the box turned green, indicating that we were correct. We'll get this next one wrong.
19. D-I-E-C-I-N-U-E-D-E 19.
As you can see, when the word is incorrect, students will be spelled the word using the Spanish letter pronunciation and then given another opportunity to spell the word correctly. Over here, students can also replay the audio if they did not hear the word the first time. They can also control the rate of speech. They have two options between fast and slow in the Spanish, and the same options are available for English. They can also choose the don't speak option. Let's go back to look at Learn. Here, similar to the Speller, however, in this case, there is no audio and students are only given the English word and they must write what the Spanish is. If correct, students will see that they are correct. If incorrect, students will see exactly what they typed and what the correct response is. space race, students are given the opportunity to do exactly what they've done with Learner. However, now it's more of a race. We see the word scroll across the screen, and students must attempt to get that word correct. We got the second word correct, but the first one we did not, and therefore the program gives us an opportunity to correct that and then continues the game. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, as using Quizlet will allow your students to work at their own pace, working on the necessary second language acquisition skills. Speller, Learn, Scatter, and Space Race are excellent opportunities for your students to practice and engage in the new vocabulary.